Quantum Many Body System HAIBA HIRAMda Numit Humni Chathagadaba International Conference ama Ngarang Manipur University ge Vice Chancellor Professor and Lokendra na Houdok-Khre Manipur University ge Department of Physics na sillaga court hall da pangthokpa International Conference Houdokpa ge thoram aduda MU ge School of Mathematics and Physical Sciences ki Dean Professor Sumitra Phanjaubam amasung Department of Physics ki Head Professor Angom Dilip Kumar su President Member oina saruk yakhe International Conference asida National amasung International ge researcher amasung scholar humfutara romna saruk yagani conference hawdokpagi thoram aduda chief guest oikiba MU gi vice chancellor professor and Lokendra na hai asigumba awang bathaki mahai masinga mari leinaba thoram ama MU na yumbu oiraga pangthokpa asida chawthokpa phawi conference asina technology gi lamda oirakadaba tungi masak adu hangnaba hotnabada mateng oigani haina khali masida sunatana quantum many bodies ki lamda research tawriba singdasu conference asina aduki matik kanaba pigani conference asida khana leina khiba khudingmak paper oina fongduna physics ki lam asi hena khumang chawsin bada mateng oihensi haina professor Lokendra na makhata khi
The conference covers a broad range of themes such as condensed matter physics, quantum information and quantum technologies, atomic and molecular many-body physics, physics of cold and ultra-cold atoms, quantum matter, among other emerging topics. These fields are not only central to our understanding of fundamental physics, but also have far-reaching implications for future technologies. The program includes invited talks by distinguished experts as well as oral and poster presentation by faculty members, postdoctoral fellows and research students. This blend of experienced voices and emerging talent will no doubt lead to the inspiring discussions, fresh perspectives and potential future collaborations.